Hey everyone, John here from Drilling Nerd. Today we are giving an old piece of furniture a fresh start. We'll be removing paint to reveal the beautiful wood grain hidden underneath. It's a fun project that lets you customize furniture and create something unique for your home. Before you begin, there are a few things to keep in mind before we jump in. When working with paint removal products, safety is important. Always wear gloves and a mask and work in a well-ventilated area. Removing the paint. There are different ways to remove the paint, and the best method depends on the type of paint and your personal preferences. Today we'll be using a citrus stripper. It's a popular choice because it's less harsh than other options. Apply the stripper following the instructions on the label. It usually involves brushing it on and letting it sit for a designated time. The paint will start to soften and bubble. Use a scraper to carefully remove the paint. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wood underneath. Cleaning up. Once you have removed the most of the paint, it's time to clean up. Wipe down the surface with a damp rag to remove any leftover stripper residue. You can also use sandpaper to smooth out any rough spots. Showcasing the wood. Now that the paint is gone, it's time to admire the beautiful wood grain. Depending on the condition of the wood, you might choose to stain it, paint it a new color, or simply apply a clear coat to protect it. Bringing it all together. With the wood refinished, it's time to put the finishing touches on your furniture. Replace any hardware or knobs that need a refresh. The final reveal. Step back and enjoy your handiwork. You have transformed a tired piece of furniture into something special. Thanks for joining me. If you have any questions about furniture refinishing, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects and ideas.